Hello everybody. My name is AI Shorts. As you can see, I guess I'm here to teach you guys how to use Nano Banana Pro. I guess I'm a little nervous. This is my first course I ever sold. Never sold a course before. I'm really interested in teaching you guys how to use Nano Banana just like me. To give a quick little backstory real quick before we begin, just so you can know what we're dealing with. I've been using Nano Banana now for about 5 months, and it's really good. I was a noob about 5 months ago, and I had no social media following or presence or anything. But I stuck with it. I got really good at it, and now I've created an Instagram account where I started posting some of my content. This is all my content I created, and I've amassed 10.7K followers in 7 weeks. It's been 7 weeks because I just was playing with Nano Banana Pro. I would think of an idea, and then next thing you know, I would create these images, whatever I had in my mind. And this is the results of everything that I've done so far. I've created movies, I've created little reels to give you quick little examples. And if you guys don't want to hear the quick introduction, you can skip forward. But I feel it's important to listen to it because I want you guys to believe in yourself. I want you guys to believe that you can do this, because I didn't know none of this was going to happen. And now I feel like I've gotten really good with Nano Banana, that I can host a course that you guys bought, which I'm very appreciative to, that I can teach you how to use it. It took me 5 months. My goal is to teach you guys in 20 minutes. I ramble a lot, but we're going to try to keep this video to 20 minutes at max. So right here, I made a little movie. Everything you see is Nano Banana Pro. That's all Nano Banana Pro. I made this with Nano Banana Pro. Took Bruce Lee, Chuck Norris, created him walking around with Nano Banana Pro. Made another movie. So you can do a lot of stuff with Nano Banana Pro. I've got a lot of success. Like I said, I've gotten 10.7K followers in 7 weeks. Let me make my camera a little smaller. This is some of my biggest videos. I've had a 603K video, 83K, 163K. Couple videos went viral. Got a 425K, 297K, 124K. And then my biggest video right here is 2.7 million views. That's why I'm also making this video, because you can go viral too. Nano Banana Pro is very easy to use. Let's click on this real quick. Let's check the views. Insight. I didn't buy my views. That's what people think. So you could tell by the engagement and the interactions. Look, all the likes, comments, shares. Let me show you one more example. This is my other video. If they killed the rappers. Right here, likes, comments, shares, a lot of engagement. I'm gonna show you one more video. I just dropped this video 2 days ago. Right here, 2 days ago. And it's already doing good. It already has 164,000 views in 2 days. You guys can do this too. If you really want to grow quick and grow fast, you need to know how to use Nano Banana Pro. Don't worry, I got you. I'm going to show you. 13,000 shares. It's a lot of engagement over here. Alright, enough with that being said. Oh, no, one more thing. I just created the YouTube on November 3rd. I already have 4,000 views with my YouTube. Got a 500,000 view video over here. Facebook, I just created Facebook 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago, and have already 3.6K, 68, 72. Got a couple views on Facebook. So back to the point. You can. I created a movie too. This is a great movie I created with Nano Banana Pro too. Look at the footage. That's me on a in Nano Banana Pro. Looks really good. I created that newspaper right there. You can create anything with Nano Banana Pro. Created a whole newspaper scene.
Cheap rent.
So just remember, you can create anything with Nano Banana Pro. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick to show you what I'm about to have you guys do, so you can do whatever you want. That was just an example of what you can do with Nano Banana Pro. And to be honest with you, the it's endless. You can do so much stuff. So we're gonna watch this 1 minute video real quick to show you what Google says about Nano Banana Pro, and then we're gonna get into the lesson. And if, like I said, at any time you guys can fast forward this, but the real ones will watch it.
This is your new creative partner, Nano Banana Pro, from Google, built on Gemini 3. Gemini 3 understands your world. So with Nano Banana Pro, you can reflect it, then...
And by the way, in case you're new, well, we're all new. This is going to be about a 20-25 minute video because I want people to fully have a full in-depth understanding of Nano Banana Pro. I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
Reimagine it. Take the complex and make it clear with detailed infographics, intricate diagrams, and text in any style you choose. You can give your imagination shape and form. Craft a brand, visualize it, and then see it everywhere. And when you want to tell a story, Google's Nano Banana Pro gives you control across color, focus, and lighting. In vivid 4K, in every aspect ratio, and with every image securely watermarked. Nano Banana Pro, for your next idea that starts anywhere and ends wherever you take it.
Alright, now I'm going to elaborate also why you guys, it was a good idea to buy this video. You know, sometimes when you're teaching, you have to speak about a lot of points. Another point about Nano Banana Pro, while the way I'm teaching. So I'm not only teaching Nano Banana Pro, but Nano Banana Pro is very expensive. Very expensive. So the reason why I'm charging $50, and to be honest with you, $50 is really, really cheap. Really cheap. Because Nano Banana Pro is a monthly subscription on lots of different websites. You'll know I've already experienced and went through this for you guys to save you time. You got to pay these monthly prices, and they give you these credits, and these credits run up in 5 minutes. They run up in 5 minutes. Right here, Unlimited Nano Banana Pro, $50 a month. Right here, Unlimited Banana Pro, well, credits. You know, I know you guys, some of you guys are probably new to Nano Banana Pro AI. It's very, very expensive. They want you to pay a monthly price. You got to use these credits. I know you see 900, 3,000. That's not a lot of credits. One Nano Banana Pro picture costs like 1,000 credits. You know, they want you to pay monthly membership fees to use Nano Banana Pro. Look at all these different websites. These are the most popular AI websites out there. When people are creating images and videos, they're going to these websites and purchasing a subscription. This is all the prices of how expensive Nano Banana Pro is. Look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. What I'm going to show you guys how to do is, I'm going to show you guys how to, you just paid this $50 and now you can keep the rest of the money in your pocket. Look how expensive this is. Look how expensive this is. Alright, we done went through the introduction. We done went through the pricing. Now it's time to show you guys how. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If it piques your curiosity or you still want to learn Nano Banana Pro, the AI tool, the image generator, make sure you guys sign up for my course. Make sure you click the link in the description and you sign up for the course, and you'll learn everything there is to know about Nano Banana Pro. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.